Basics. Welcome to our channel.
Or welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about the most basic planet besides Earth, Mars.
We asked you guys on Twitter to tweet us some questions on what you'd like to know about Mars.
So let's get started.
Stop drinking your Dr. Pepper. Could anything live on Mars?
Well, you see, the seasons happen to be really extreme. So depending on which hemisphere is facing the sun, no, not really.
And there's also like really bad dust storms that can cover the entire surface of the planet for weeks or months at a time.
Not to mention, the atmosphere is way too thin. You wouldn't even be able to breathe.
Yeah, there's no point. The gravity would also just make it so you'd float around all the time. What's the point in that?
That's so boring. Is the day longer or shorter than an Earth day?
I mean, it's almost the same as Earth, just a smidge longer than 24 hours. How thick is Mars?
Now, we know we shouldn't assume other people's sizes. But here we have the tea.
The truth tea.
The real tea.
Her mass is this number of kilograms, because I can't say that number.
I can't either. And her
we love a skinny
diameter.
legend. Don't interrupt me.
I'm sorry. And her diameter is 6,794 kilometers. But no scandals here.
Like us, she's just pretty basic and average for a planet.
We're not planets, Audrey.
Oh yeah.
Is it the ones with the rings or what? No. Next question. Okay.
Like, what's the atmosphere there?
Wait,
Can I
you can see my
breathe? Ooh, honey, we already answered that. Go back to this time.
To answer your question, no. Wait, what's the order in the solar system?
It's the fourth planet from the sun. Pretty average, just a bit colder than the Earth.
That's the T on that.
What's the climate? Good for skiing?
I mean, it's really cold there, to the point where liquid water can't even exist. So if you want to go skiing there, you could try, but I don't recommend it. So why is Mars even called Mars?
It's named after the Roman god of war, Mars, who originated from the Greek war god Ares. Perhaps there's a deeper meaning to it.
It's really not that deep, but go off, I guess.
What does its surface look like? Are there any craters and all that fun stuff?
It's a rocky planet with a plethora of volcanoes.
Fun fact, Mars has the largest volcanoes in the solar system. Olympus Mons is like huge. 800.
That was terrible. Anyway, how long is a year on Mars?
If you think 2019 has felt long and we're only 5 months in, Mars would not be the place for you, honey. It takes 687 Earth days for one orbit of the sun, aka one Mars year.
Oh my Jesus.
Is it a tropical climate?
Like Hawaii?
This has to be a joke.
Next question. So why is it red?
Why aren't you red?
Because I'm not a planet and I don't have rust from Martian rocks. Anyway. Naming fear.
Ooh, what?
Phobos is one of the moon's names. It means fear.
Hey, I want to be famous. Ooh, what are its moon's names?
Phobos is one moon. Its name means fear.
Got a full face of Phobos all up in here.
Deimos is the other moon. Its name means route.
I was in math class. Defeated troops retreating from battle.
They are both made up of carbon-rich rock
Mixed with ice. Ooh.
Disgusting. So what's up with this temperature?
Hey, it's like that Katy Perry song.
'Cause
it's hot and it's cold. It's yes and it's no. Okay, we're gonna stop now. To give you actual numbers,
Mars has an average of negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 60 degrees?
negative 60 degrees Celsius.
And negative 60 degrees Celsius.
How much would I, a 100-pound person, weigh on Mars?
You'd weigh 38 pounds. Not that I am 100 pounds, but if I were, I'd weigh 38 pounds on Mars.
Wait, has anything like life been discovered?
I mean, there could be life. She isn't confirmed yet. What's its size compared to the Earth? The sun?
If the sun were the size of a door, Earth would be the size of a dime, and Mars would be the size of an aspirin tablet.
Wow, that's small.
What was Mars discovered by?
Well, first of all, it was discovered by a person, not a thing.
Whatever. His name was Christian Huygens. Mr. Huygens!
He used a telescope.
I mean, yeah, that's all he did. He used a telescope, and he was like, he saw it, and he was like, Mars!
There's not much to it.
Yeah, there's really not much to it.
That's the T
That's
on
it.
that. There's nothing else.
Video.
This video to 100
Oh my
we may continue doing a part 2.
There were a lot more questions submitted, but we couldn't answer all of them in this video.
If this video gets 100,000 likes, we might consider doing a part 2.
Maybe on a different planet.
And if not,
We're canceled.